Hi, my name is Jenna Gallion. I am your Web Introduction to Speech Communication instructor. Because this course is mostly online, I wanted to make this video to make sure you hit the ground running and you feel like you're off to a solid start. First, this is your textbook. This is The Essentials of Human Communication by DeVito. I promise you will use the book. It will be the foundation for the weekly discussion board assignments. You'll need it to prepare for your quizzes and your tests. Okay. And when you log into the course homepage looks like, oh, it's going to be a little slow. The course homepage will start you off with a memo section, and over here will be the announcements. All right. So as we unfold, I will have what I call the 3-week planner right here. And important dates and what we're covering will be here as a reminder. It doesn't replace the course calendar, okay? But it can be helpful for a quick glance. Also, before you dig further in, make sure you check out any announcements I have. Maybe it pertains to that day or something that's coming up, okay? So once I've checked those things, you're going to go into course content. And here is the welcome start here. You notice you could have clicked on it right here as well. So what this is I have a list of things I would like for everyone to do. Okay, this is to get you ready for the semester. The first week is mostly, the first couple of days, it's mostly just reviewing some things. The course syllabus, which we talked about at my visit to your school. Also, some myths and realities of online learning, just to kind of make sure you have some idea of how to plan. And let me see, need to know link. Those are important information for any Allegheny College of Maryland student. This is the only assignment for your first couple of days of class. And it's right here. You're going to click on this discussion board and post an introduction. Remember, I do not know you. I know a lot of you know your classmates, of course, but I don't know you. So tell me a little bit about yourself, maybe where you want to go to college, what you enjoy doing. Yeah, so just let me have a shot to get to know you as well. All right, and after you go through these things, I have a checklist right here. And you just want to make sure that you've completed all of this initial orientation stuff. All right, so again, each time you log in, I'd like for you to click on content and then make sure your assignments are open. And what you will see is that you have each chapter here. We'll click on chapter 1, since after you do your welcome start here, this is where you will be. Okay. So student learning outcomes are on each page. A review sheet is available to help get you ready for quizzes and tests. Oops, sorry about that. And we have every chapter has a PowerPoint from the publisher. It is essentially an outline of the chapter. All right, so it is not a presentation PowerPoint. It's more like a quick, what's the outline of the chapter. Could be good for review, especially right before quizzes. I will have my own homemade PowerPoints as well that you can certainly click through. Discussion board. So often they're either called discussion board or what do you say. When you click on these links, it will take you to the board and there will be a description of what it is I ask you to answer, okay, or to respond to. Don't panic. I'm not asking you to take 3 tests. So because I have 3 classes or 3 sections, or if I only had 2 sections, or if I had 4 sections, I would have to have 3 different tests or 4 different tests, okay? So that you will not be taking 3 tests. So a test will open for you on the day that your class is scheduled to take the test. Okay, and I realize we have a lot of changing schedules with snow days and time shifts, and we'll get to it. Don't worry, we'll get it all in. Okay. Weekly quizzes are here. They are open to you to take twice, and because I want you to be successful with these, and you can also use these quizzes to help you get ready for your weekly tests. Okay, all right, so I hope this will get you started. My plan is to come in once a week. I realize that delays, trips, all that kind of stuff like school trips and class trips might take us off of that schedule. That's why it will be important to make sure you check in daily. I recommend checking into your Brightspace daily. Okay? Please email questions to me. you'll find that I'm really very flexible and I want you to be successful. Okay, so let's have a great semester.